This is my two-bed flat that I've recently acquired. I've just not too long picked up the keys. It's an ensuite flat, so come on in. So welcome to the flat. Here we are, we're in the middle of the hallway. To my left is where we store our cupboard, and this is where we also put some of our cleaning products. We also have our washing machine inside here as well. To my right here is the storage where I also put a lot of the laundries. Any excess beddings is all inside here as well, with some extra space for storage as well. As we enter, we're entering inside of the master bedroom. To my right, as you can see, the nice little art deco inside of the flat, in the bedroom. You have the king size bed with two side tables and two lamps. To my left here is a built-in wardrobe, and then direct in front of me you have the vanity table. As we go further here, behind me we have another cupboard, or should I say storage drawer, so you can put your clothes inside. And then we also have the ensuite room, so ensuite bathroom, sorry, which is just a shower inside. Yeah, we're going to take you next to the second bedroom. Would you just follow me? To my left, we have another cupboard where you could put your clothes inside. Here to my right is a double-sized bed. Also, you have a side table with also a lamp. And then just to my left is a massive, as you could see, a built-in wardrobe where you could store as much as you want. And just behind me, in front of me, direct in front of me, is a beautiful view of the residential area. If you just follow me, I'm going to take you to the communal area where you see the open plan living room with the kitchen. So here we are now, we're in the living room, which is the open plan living room. We have the two sofas just in front of me here, two double sofas, and then we have a TV. Then we have a lamp just in the corner, just here. And we also have a built-in cupboard, so there's loads of different storage inside of it as well. One of my touch favorites is this fox fur carpet. You don't even need a bed. You just need to just lay on top of this and you see how nice it feels. To my right, we have another cupboard. Some of these things that you see is, again, ideal. The purpose of this that I like is because it's ideal for family as well, and also we cater for kids as well. So we do have the safety units on top of these cupboards as well. Again, for more storage. Now we enter into the kitchen area, part of the open plan. So we have the fridge, is all built in white goods. So we have the fridge, which is just up here. Then we have the freezer, which is just at the bottom. We also have the oven. Then we have the built-in microwave. All of these tech, you just need to just do all of these devices, etc. Coming forward above, we have the extra cupboards as well. Again, for safety of kids, in here is drawers, is where we put our utensils. Cleaning supplies is just over on the other side at the bottom. Pots and pans, extra storage. Washing machine built in as well. Then also we have, for our toaster, our kettle, our knife sets, sugar and tea canisters. Again, more storage, as you could see, so our guests could put anything that they want inside of these cupboards, be it food, drinks, etc. We also have an extra drawer cupboard for storage as well, for whatever the usage you want to do it with. And then here we have a table of seating for 4, but the beauty about this particular table is that it can expand to at least 8 as well, right? So all we just need to just do is get an extra, 4 chairs, and then catering for 8 people. Another good feature of this 2-bed unit that we have for our service accommodation is that we also have allocated parking for our guests, along with the block actually comes with a concierge, high-tech security for the safety of our guests if they say they're worrying about anything. Now for our grand feature, which is the balcony, one of our best features that's well sought after for our guests. As you could see, it's overlooking a major residential area. Is located in one of the best nature reserves in this area called, Leighton Marsh. Some of the other great amenities which is in the area, such as the ice rink that everyone knows. We also have the Jubilee Park in this particular area as well. Just below is a communal courtyard that, kids, if needs be, they could go and play, etc. So in terms of the actual numbers, so for example, my guaranteed rent that I would actually give to the landlord is about 2,400. The expense is estimated around 545. In terms of bills, the break even on that is just under 6%. It's slightly, in fact, it is above the deal breaker. However, the reason as to why I have chosen it is purely because of the area that it is, and what I'm actually netting from that so far on a given month would be around just under £1,200. So I've been working with Simon since February, the beginning of February, and I joined the 90 Days to SA course. The experience with that, I would say Simon is top notch. The information that he provides is actually invaluable. The contents given is beyond price. And so far it's been exceptional. Because of the context and the information that he actually give you is second to none. And then you not only get the information, but you also do get the actual support, and also from his actual team as well. So it also gives you that whole character building as well. With Simon, it's just his genuine approach that he has. He has a heart of gold. He actually is willing to want to help you. Because he's also been there, he's done it, he has a tried and tested, system himself where he didn't get so much of the support. So I suppose maybe he's trying to close the gap where, because no one was there to fully help him fully throughout it, this is where he comes in and said, okay, you know what, how about I now teach others? It's not so much of a hand-holding type of situation, but the saying, as they say, you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, but you teach him, emphasis on the teacher, and show him how to fish, and you feed him for life. And literally that is Simon, that is the actual mantra where Simon is actually concerned.